How to schedule messages on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Shortcuts application on your phone. Navigate to the Automation tab at the bottom and tap New Automation. From the list for the automation, select Time of Day. On the next screen, set the exact time you want the message to be sent. You can also choose how often it repeats, such as daily, weekly, or monthly. Then, ensure that you select the Run Immediately option to send the message automatically in the background without requiring you to approve it first. After that, tap Next. Select the Send Message action from the list of suggestions. This creates an action block where you will compose your message. Tap on the blue message placeholder and type the text you want to schedule. Then, tap on the recipient's placeholder to choose the contact who will receive the message. Tap Done in the top right corner to save the automation. Following these steps, you can easily schedule messages on an iPhone.